Hi everyone, this is Diane with Alice Treasures. Today I'm going to be making a beer soap using Funky Buddha's Pineapple Beach. It's a blonde ale with pineapple added. The side of the bottle says crisp chocolate, tropical, and refreshing. So we're going to give that a shot and see how that is. I've never used a blonde ale before, so I don't know what color to expect. Going to use Nature Garden's fresh fruit slices. I didn't have anything with pineapple in it, so that was about as close as I could get. So we'll see how the colors work, and I have a few colors in mind for that, but we'll see how it goes. So the scent that I'm using, the fresh fruit slices from Nature's Garden, has the description is a fruit salad of orange, strawberry, apple, and grapes, sprinkled with coconut. So pineapple is often associated with salads. This is a pineapple from my garden, so that's pretty much my color inspiration. I'm using Magic Yellow from Micah's and More. And I have Olive Green from Micah's and More. And I have Orange Yellow from Micah's and More. And then I have Latte. The scent has supposedly no acceleration, no discoloration or rising. It's supposed to behave very nicely. I have kale and clay in my oils, and I had sea salt in with the beer for the lye water. So I'm going to pour all the scent in right away. I say this smells really good. Actually have the house to myself today, which is unusual. My son and his fiance went shopping, and my daughter's an interior decorator and organizer, and she's working today, so the house is quiet. These soaps, when I'm experimenting, are about 2 3/4 by 2 inches by 1 inch. I like to experiment, try new colors, test out new fragrances, new recipes. So most often that's what I'm showing on YouTube, so you can see what happens if I get soap on a stick or if things go well. This portion. going to be a very simple soap. I thought about putting pineapples on top, but my mold got a crack in it, so I had to order some new ones. So hopefully those will be here in a couple days. In the meantime, this will just be a fairly plain soap. As far as the top goes, no embeds. When soap is nice and fluid like this, I have to say I love drop swirls. It really is nice and fluid. I am definitely not the most patient person when it comes to unmolding. Always in a hurry to see what the soap is going to look like. I try very hard, but there are times where I've ruined edges because I couldn't wait. Always amazed when a beer soap stays so liquid. Normally they will thicken up on you. So, extremely happy with this. Should end up with 10 bars. Halfway thinking about making a gift set with a few of them. I did 3 beer soaps with the Funky Buddha beer. So I might make a gift set with the 3 soaps. Still thinking about that. Haven't been too messy either. Normally I'm making all kinds of messes. think I like that. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. All right. So sit 24 to 48 hours, and we'll be back with the cut. Love the way the colors turned out on this. That's pretty. Smells very, very citrusy. It's really good. These will cure for 4 weeks. Still deciding on a weird gift set. Very pretty. Little tulip. Turned out really nice with the drop swirl. I like the yellow in here. Should brighten up. As it air dries. Very gorgeous. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe and hit the bell. And have a great day.